Yo, it's Pay, man. Just out here driving on my way to work and shit, man. To get y'all a little POV for one time, man. My little 2013 all-wheel drive RT. Yeah, this bitch ain't stock, man. This bitch riding. Shit, I got like a little hour before work. You know vibes, man. I'm probably finna fuck around, go to the car wash, get this bitch clean. Shit, it's a little nice day out. It ain't too bad. It ain't SRT, but they got SRT pages, you feel me? But shit, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm rolling and shit. I'm at a red light. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm rolling, when I'm at the car wash. We back rolling, man. Gotta get off the main streets. All this damn traffic. I need some new brakes, don't mind that. But shit, if y'all can hear my exhaust, man, it's stock. It sounds good for being stock. Like, it sounds real good, actually. Big ass fucking bump, man. Yeah, man, I need some new brakes. I'm finna go get some soon. But yeah, bro, we just driving around, man, having a little POV for y'all. Yeah, man, I need some new brakes for real. Fuck. I'm fucking around, go pull up on my homie, man, his Cam SF, see what he on. I'm about to give him a call. I'm about to get it back rolling after that. I'll be right back. Shit, my boy ain't even at the crib, so shit, we just gonna be riding, man. Finna head to the car wash real quick, cause my car is dirty, man. My shit been sitting for like a week, I ain't gonna lie. But shit, it's about to go in storage soon. I'm about to get shit rocking, man. I'm about to start ordering some more shit. I need to get my body kit and shit. Fuck. All these damn red lights, man. I'm tired of this shit. And it's school hours, so it's cops out and shit. Man, but I'm pulling to the car wash, man. I hate these streets, man. Big ass bumps everywhere on this fucking street. Damn. I'm going up to the car wash right now, though, man. Off, man. Man, don't mind my outfit, man. I'm on the way to work, man. Oh, I tweaked. I done left my sunroof open a little bit, man. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Man, I messed up, man. I almost fucked up. Man, fuck. I don't usually come to this car wash. I don't usually come to this one, but shit, it's whatever. It's close to my job, man. Yeah, hoes keep getting in my way. Oh, I'm tweaking. SRT round. Shit, I'm gonna start it back up when I'm done washing the car, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of holding my phone and washing this at the same time. I'll be back in like 5 seconds. I'm done washing my baby, man. So I'll give y'all a little walk around the car real quick. You know, this is what it look like right now, but I got big plans for it. I got the black hood, black roof, black trunk. They got the SLTA rims. All-wheel drive RT, man. 5.7 handle. I did this tint myself. I just ordered the new one because they got that little Dodge right here. It's gonna have that cut out and it's gonna get these, so I'm gonna retint that once that come in. But yeah, man. I took the Hemi badges off. She ain't too bad, man. I just gotta dry her off. Pop the hood for y'all real quick. You know, I got the red guts. The inside of my car is dirty, so I ain't even gonna show y'all more of that right now. Y'all can just see how dirty it is. Look, you know, RT, man. So basically, I had the whole engine rebuilt. It had some issues. See, I got the, I don't know, y'all can really kind of see it. Got my block painted orange. So basically, everything I had fixed, basically upgraded or replaced. I had got 392 headers, the Scat Pack headers, shorties. And then I got the Hellcat lifters, MDS delete, valve covers, all that 392 replaced. Yeah, so basically my whole bottom end 392. I'm gonna get the 6.4 intake and throttle body soon, and I'm gonna throw that on there. It's a lot I want to do to this car. I'm not gonna say much. I'm just gonna show y'all as time goes. And here's my car, man. It's nice. It's decent. You know, I bought the rims like this. Don't get on my ass. I gotta get this painted up. But man, it's decent, man. For 13. Ugh. I need some new tires too, man. This shit crazy, y'all see that? I need some new tires. But shit, I'm about to dry her off and then head back to work, so I'm gonna get y'all a POV of that when I'm done. Just left the car wash, I'm back on my way to work, man. Today gonna be a short video. I'm just trying to get y'all a little understanding of my car, of what I'm about to bring y'all. Like, car content is not gonna be the only thing on this YouTube channel, cause I resell shoes. I'm about to get my little bully business going, about to start breeding my dogs. Well, dog, let's say that I only got one dog right now, but hopefully it turns into more. Yeah, I got big plans for this channel, man. 2023, we're going crazy. Yeah, shit, I'm just gonna give y'all a little POV on the way to work, drive for a little bit. Maybe after work, I'll get up with my homies, show y'all what they got going. My homie got this little Impala build. His shit fast, I ain't gonna lie. He beat me. He beat me until I got my car tuned. I ain't even gonna whoop on him. He beat me until I got my car tuned. But now he not fucking with me. He got it at his intake manifold and shit though. I ain't gonna tell y'all his business, but just know he got some shit rocking. I'm trying to get him to get his YouTube going. Once he get his YouTube going, you know, we all go promote each other. And then my other homie, he got a Trailblazer SS. You know, they like they little motherfucking Chevys and shit. You know. But on good tools, I had me an Impala before this, man. I had me a little, fuck, I don't even remember. I think it was 07. No, hell no. It was 04. It was an 04 Indianapolis Speedway edition. That motherfucker was a supercharged V6, bro. It was a V6, but it was supercharged. That motherfucker was fast. I did hella shit to it. My homie got it, actually. My homie bought it off me. So maybe we'll do a video with him, too. Because that motherfucker was clean, bro. I wish I was recording. Like, me and my homies did so much car shit. Like, we done ran through, like, 4 or 5 cars each. Like, all modified everything. But we ain't never post this shit on YouTube. We ain't never take this shit serious. But now, bro, it ain't nothing better to do but take this shit serious. So we getting shit rolling, man. So just know we gonna have some shit cracking very soon. We gonna get our little city turned in the car scene. We gonna get our city turned, man. Oh God. We just be cruising though. We don't be tearing shit up. We just be chilling. We ain't with all that police shit, man. We don't need the laws on us, man. We be cool, man. We don't do shit in our city. We go to Mexico and do crazy shit, you feel me? And you be making them trips to Mexico. Let me get y'all a little decent little pole, hold on. Hey, just some slight shit, man, you feel me? Hey, I got stock exhaust, by the way. The only thing exhaust wise that's changed is my headers, and I just got the 392 shorties. Like, that ain't really a big upgrade. It's still some stock headers, you feel me? Like, it's stock from Scat Pack. It's not stock for a 5.7, so it's a little change, but it's not too much. But yeah, man, shit. Just driving for y'all a little bit. I like to change my hands up when I'm driving, man, so just ignore that. I just can't stay comfortable in like one position for a long time. I low-key think I got ADHD and shit. I always got to be doing something. I always got to be moving. I hate just sitting still. I need to get me like a little GoPro strap or something, because I'm tired of holding my phone while I'm driving. Like, this shit low-key dangerous. Like, I gotta pay attention to all types of shit, you feel me? Let me get back to 40 for y'all real quick, do another little pull. Actually, I'm gonna do a little 30 roll. Do a little 30 pull real quick. Oh my God, of course a car pulled in front of me, man. Like, y'all see this, man? Motherfuckers cannot drive, bro. That shit be popping, bro. That shit, I don't know, bro. It's annoying, but it's not annoying. It just be like, damn, bro. My shit be sounding like a damn chopper, man. But shit, I gotta do some exhaust work to make this bitch a little louder, man. Cause right now it'd be cool, like you can't really hear it. It'd be cool. You feel me? Like it'd be cooling, man. I need some new brakes. I don't know. I've been looking at Brembos, but damn, boy, them bitches expensive. I ain't even gonna lie. I want my shit brand new. Like, I don't like getting used parts, because then that just means more problems in the long end. So I just like to get my shit brand new. So I might not even get the Brembos. Like, the whole package, bro, that shit like $6,000 for some brakes, rotors. Like, I'm not finna do all that. I love this car so much. It's about to go in storage, though. I gotta go get my beater. It's about to start snowing down here. This car rust free. I'm gonna keep it rust free. You feel me? See that? This is a Texas vehicle. But shit, man, I'm pulling up to work, so shit, I'm gonna let y'all go. Might catch y'all after work. I don't know, but if I don't catch y'all after work, shit, this is gonna be the end of the video. Shit, I appreciate y'all tuning in, tapping in with me and shit. I'm gonna have all my socials in the description. And if I link with any of my homies after work and don't finish the video here, I'll have their socials in the description. And shit, we just gonna get shit rocking, bros. Tired of playing games, man. We've been playing for 3 years straight. We've been in this car shit since 2020, bro. We young, I'm only 18. We had cars before we even had license, you feel me? And we was really sliding. Like, my homie done, bro, I ain't even gonna speak, man. I'm just gonna show y'all what we done did. I'm gonna try to get some old footage put together. Get some old footage put together for a little video, man, of like how we was before now. But shit, yeah, I'm pulling up to work right now. Just pulled in. I'm gonna let y'all go. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man.